How to grout. Regrouting is done after the cleaning stage, as this identifies and removes loose grout. Select the closest match to the existing grout colour. Due to fading from the environment, even if you know what colour was originally used, it'll be impossible to match the grout and be left patchy. If you're working for high-end customers where this would not be suitable, then you can quote them extra to remove all the grout and regrout. How to mix grout. A little water goes a long way with grout, so start by pouring less water than you think you will need in a clean bucket. Add in the powdered grout and stir. The consistency you're looking for is a little like toothpaste. It's not too runny and it's not too thick. How to apply grout. Using a grout float, apply the grout in the missing joints, pressing it in and across the surface at the same time. Remove the excess with the float and continue to grout all the section in. Allow the grout to start to set a little. You can see this by a small amount of drying and lightening of the grout that occurs around the edges. First wipe. Using a damp sponge, rub the surface including the grout joints. This will remove the excess and smooth the grout joints out. Circular motion seems to work well for this. If you're doing a larger section, you will need to keep an eye on the grout to make sure it's not setting too much before doing your first wipe. Second one. With a fresh clean bucket of water and a damp sponge, wipe in diagonal motion one side of the sponge, then turn it over and use the other side, and then wash it out and repeat. This will remove the majority of the grout from the surface. Allow the surface to dry a little and then use a dry cloth or sponge to wipe the dust from the surface. After grouting, you will need to wait the cure time listed on the bag before applying the membrane.